Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. A very important update not only for May 25 but September and also January 26th. Now, my dear friends, the dividend is a very important chapter when you can expect around 5 to 10 marks, around 5 to 10 marks in the examination. But the very important section in this whole chapter is section number 127. Now, friends, if you don't transfer a dividend in the time prescribed in the law, you will have to face some punishment. That is what section number 127 is. Now, my dear friends, today we will quickly revise section number 127 because it is important for examination perspective, not only for May, but September 25 as well as January 2026 students. Now, people, you guys need to understand what is the time limit which has been prescribed by the government. What is the time limit? So, time limit is very, very simple. If today you declare a dividend, within 5 days, you need to transfer that dividend amount into a special escrow account. You have to deposit the dividend amount within 5 days in a separate bank account with the scheduled commercial bank with SCBs, and it is a special escrow account. It is a special escrow account. Escrow account means which you open it for a specific purpose. So, my dear friends, if today you declare dividend, within next 5 days, we will transfer that dividend amount into a separate bank account with scheduled bank. Now, my dear friends, you have 30 days from the day you declare a dividend. You have 30 days to transfer dividend. And friends, if you don't transfer in this said 30 days, then you will have to pay, you have to face a replication, a punishment from Companies Act. Now, my dear friends, what is the punishment? Friends, the punishment is very simple. In case of default, friends, you have to pay, company will have to pay 18% per annum interest, plus director will pay 1000 rupees per day, 1000 rupees per day, and bonus you will get imprisonment up to 2 years. So revise, sir, revise. Section 127 says what? Punishment for failure to pay dividend. What is the time limit? So on the day you declare dividend, in next 5 days, you will transfer that dividend amount in a separate bank account. From the day you declare dividend, that is from X day, you will transfer all that amount to the respective shareholder within 30 days. So the day you declare, you have 30 days to transfer. If you don't transfer in said 30 days, don't worry, you will have to pay fine. Company will pay fine up to 18% per annum, and director will pay 1000 rupees per day, imprisonment up to 2 years. Now, people, the law is very simple. They will ultimately test you on the exemption. Exemption means there are certain cases, my dear friends. If you fall under that cases, you are not at all liable to punishment. Not at all liable to the punishment which I've just not discussed. That is 18%, 1000 rupees per day, and imprisonment up to 2 years. Now, what is the basic fundamental exceptions? Number one exception. That is what? Number one exception, that where company declared the dividend, but company is not able to make the payment because of operation of law. Now, operation of law can have various reasons, any natural calamity, or maybe country has declared corona or national wide pandemic, something like that. Or maybe we want to make payment to a foreign shareholder where we are just now having a clash. In such a case, dividend is not paid because of operation of law. Operation of law is the keyword, my dear friends. Operation of law is the keyword. Friends, second, when there is a dispute, between the shareholder, transferor and transferee are fighting who will get dividend. In such a case, dividend will be held in abeyance, that nobody will get dividend until and unless the matter is resolved. Friends, the concept is, even if company is not paying dividend in the said 30 days, still you are not at all liable. Liability is what? What is the punishment? 18%, 1000 rupees per day, plus bonus imprisonment. My dear friends, third important case, where shareholder has given a instruction to the company that I want dividend in a certain manner. Company has communicated to the shareholder that no, sir, we will not able to make the payment. The method you say, it is communicated. In the examination, stay focused while reading the question. If company has communicated, exempt. Shareholder has given us a direction that, sir, please make the payment in certain way. We as a company has communicated to the shareholder, sorry, sir, we will not able to make the payment in the way you are asking us to pay. Friends, if company has communicated the same, then the company will not pay the penalty. Please focus. Company needs to communicate the same. Fourth one, that is where company has lawfully adjusted some amount against the dividend. Company, we are required to pay something to the company, and company wanted to make the payment for dividend. So instead me making the payment and then again company giving me the dividend, we are adjusting the same. Allowed, 110% allowed. And fourth and very important, where any other reason is applicable. Any other reason, always remember, in any other reason, default should be not from the company's side. Default should be not from a company's side. So very simple. Operation of law, operation of law, dispute, operation of law, dispute, directions, operation of law, dispute, direction, lawfully adjusted, any other reason, operation of law, dispute, given direction, lawfully adjusted, or any other reason. My dear friends, 127 is applicable where company has failed to make the payment. You remember the days, that is within 30 days you declare the dividend, we need to transfer it. If not, then company will pay 18% per annum on basis of interest, and on the officer in default, we pay 1,000 rupees per day plus imprisonment of 2 years, up to 2 years. You guys need to understand, when you will get the exemption, you will get exemption in these 5 cases. Operation of law, dispute, the shareholder has given the direction, but we have communicated, sorry, sir, we will not able to give, lawfully adjusted, or any other reason. So friends, this was the quick revision of the section number 127. Now, if you want any other section you want me to revise, you can let me know in the comment box. Share this video who is giving exam in May or September or January next year. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till the time, bye-bye, take care, good night, and stay tuned for awesome lessons. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.